November 8, 2020, a day of celebration as the Apostolic Church Nigeria Eguare Assembly under Ekpoma area celebrated its Children Harvest Thanksgiving. Children were called out and they all took time to express their joy through dancing and singing. Vision TV also went to the Apostolic Church Nigeria ihumudumun Assembly, who also celebrated their annual harvest Thanksgiving. Men of God from far and wide were all on ground, and also the Ekpoma area superintendent, Pastor Dr. M.O. Badero. Wow, it was really a great day of joy. Despite the issues of COVID-19, Christians still troop out to give God thanks.